And while a day after Law Ministry okayed the recommendation of the Collegium and appointed Indu Malhotra as the Supreme Court judge, Congress is now questioning the Modi government for holding on to Justice Joseph's appointment as the Supreme Court judge. The Collegium had also recommended Justice Joseph's name. Congress is now questioning whether his appointment is being held as a retribution to his order in the Uttarakhand case. In fact, several tweets that have come in by Randeep Surjewala, and let's bring in our legal correspondent Nalini on the phone line. Nalini, explain to us what is happening in this case, and especially as far as the legal circle is concerned. How are they looking at this decision of the government? All right, I believe we've lost that connection with Nalini. She'll be back with us in just a bit. But this is the news we're breaking right now, where a big debate has broken out over the judge's appointment, where the Congress is questioning the Modi government on holding on to Justice Joseph's appointment as the Supreme Court judge. Now, although the government has given a go-ahead for appointing Indu Malhotra as the Supreme Court judge, but the government is still taking more time as they are considering the file of Justice Joseph's appointment. Meanwhile, Congress hitting out strongly, questioning the Modi government for holding on to this file. 3 tweets that have come in from Randeep Surjewala on this matter, where he has quoted several news articles and questioned the government, blaming them of retribution. Congress asking a question on why is the government holding up Justice Joseph's appointment? Well, the Collegium has given a go-ahead. If Indu Malhotra has been appointed as the Supreme Court judge, then why is it that the Modi government is still holding on to Justice Joseph's appointment? And the big question that the Congress is asking on whether his appointment is being held as a retribution to his order in the Uttarakhand case. Let's bring in Rhythm, our legal editor, who's joining us on the phone line. Rhythm, explain to us what is happening in this entire matter, and what is the word coming in from within the legal circle. How are they looking at this move of the government, and with the Congress questioning the government over this?
Okay, the government is but in the legal circle, the Commission has already given out a verdict that there needs to be the recommendation of 2 people inside the top court. One is Indu Malhotra, and the second is, the Collegium had earlier said, Justice K.M. Joseph, who hails from the Kerala High Court. He's currently functioning as the Chief Justice of Uttarakhand High Court. The Supreme Court and the Collegium had said he is more deserving and suitable in all respects than other Chief Justices. In that order, they had said that he should be appointed as judges of the Supreme Court of India. The Congress now has made this, like all the other issues, a political issue. They've gone ahead and they've started attacking the government and said that they have not accepted the they've questioned the Collegium, and they've questioned the fact that his elevation has not happened to the top court of the country. What we need to tell our viewers is Indu Malhotra has now been appointed as a Supreme Court judge. She was a lawyer, and her Collegium acceptance has happened. She's now going to be a Supreme Court judge. When it comes to the other judge, that is Justice Joseph, it's not been cleared. Now we are seeing the Congress as well as Additional Solicitor General at the Congress time, Indira Jaising, speak about it. She's trying to say, I'm appealing to the Chief Justice of India not to swear in Indu Malhotra until Justice Joseph is cleared in for appointment. So a lot of verbatim Congress leaders, Congress politicians trying to politicize this issue.
Rhythm, is this also a way for the Congress to hit back at the Modi government, especially considering how they've been criticized by the judiciary in the last few days over their moves in the past, whether it is about impeaching the CJI or their stand over the Judge Loya case? So is Congress also looking at this as an opportunity to hit out at the Modi government?
Well, absolutely. It's also Congress is trying to intimidate the entire judiciary system. Say that they will try, and in every way they
try. We seem to have lost that telephone connection with Rhythm. We'll get her back in just a bit. But that's the big story that is coming out of the Congress now politicizing this entire matter, and we have several reactions